Okay, everybody, it's time to take stock of all of the gifts we got for the zoo's birthday this year. Let's see, what I have with me, I have an action packer, which is great. We got some new ones, which will really help for when we travel together on our outreach programs. Let's see. George, what do you have? Okay, great. Fantastic. That paint will be very useful for making paintings. I know you guys love making good art. How about you, Amazon? I know you like this fundraiser. Okay, great. Yeah, we got some laminate, which we use to make labels for our displays, and some printer paper, because of course, we have to print so much stuff for when we send venoms, and gosh, all sorts of other office things. All right, Lola, what do you have? Well, I see the can of Tegu and Blue Tongue skink food, but weren't there a bunch of cans of mealworms? Lola. Well, I guess you really like them. Thank you again to everyone who checked out our Amazon wish list and even bought us gifts off of it. It helps us so much to buy some of the supplies that we have to get all the time, and it helps us to keep our animals fed, happy, and healthy, and our business running smooth. So thank you again. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more KRZ videos, and don't forget to hit the bell so you know when it's happening. Follow us on social media at KY Reptile Zoo for more scaly content. Lastly, come visit us in Slade, Kentucky, and check out our website at kyreptilezoo.com for merch and booking programs.